Okay, so now we're going to solve a problem in quadratic form. So let's first talk about what quadratic form means. We know that quadratics are something like ax squared plus bx plus c. What a quadratic form is just where the bigger exponent is twice as big as the smaller exponent on the variable. And you can see that's exactly what we have. We have an exponent of 4, an exponent of 2. 4 is twice as big as 2. That's how you identify quadratic form. Now with quadratic form, you can always rewrite that first term, the variable portion, as the variable portion of the second term squared. And so that's how you want to think about it. And then you can use something called u substitution, where you let u equal x to the power of the smaller exponent. If I replace all those x squareds in the equation above with u, I'm going to get u squared minus 3u plus 2 equals 0. And voila, I have a quadratic equation now. That's why it's called quadratic form. So now I'm just going to solve that equation. It does factors into u minus 2 and u minus 1. Set each factor equal to 0. Solve, and you get u equals 2 and u equals 1. But you can't stop right there because the original equation was in terms of x. Right now our solutions are in terms of u. So we're going to back substitute. We're going to let u equal the thing we set it equal to in the first place, which was x squared. And now we have two pretty simple equations to solve. Take the square root of both sides. Remember, we have the absolute value of u. And then when we remove the absolute value, we get plus or minus. And the same thing here. I mean x, I said u. We take the square root of both sides. We have the absolute value of x. Remove the absolute value, and you get the plus or minus. So your final answer is x equals plus or minus the square root of 2, or plus or minus 1. And you're done.